Like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
The latest COVID-19 case numbers from around the states and territories. Here is a quick wrap of each Australian jurisdiction's latest COVID-19 statistics for Tuesday, May 3rd. You can get a more detailed, visual breakdown through the ABC's Charting the Spread story here. This list will be updated throughout the day, so if you do not see your state or territory, please check back later. You can jump to the COVID-19 information you want to read by clicking below. Queensland, the Sunshine State, hasn't recorded any new COVID deaths today, however 15 people are being treated in intensive care units. Queensland has recorded 5,207 new cases and 466 people are in hospital with the virus in total. There are still more than 37,000 active cases in the state. New South Wales NSW has recorded 23 more COVID deaths, up from just 5 yesterday. According to data from the ABC's Charting the Spread project, it is the highest daily death toll in the state since February 16. There are 1,513 cases in hospital and 71 people being treated in intensive care. The state has recorded 9,656 new cases in the latest reporting period. A Canberra man aged in his 90s has died with COVID-19 and another 1,027 new infections have been recorded in the ACT. There are 64 people in hospital with the virus, including 4 patients in intensive care. Almost 81% of Canberran children aged 5 to 11 have received a vaccine dose and 75.4% of Canberrans aged 16 and older have received their booster. Victoria, 12 people have died with COVID in Victoria overnight and 6 people who have tested positive for the virus require a ventilator to breathe. Another 10,184 cases have been recorded and there are 482 people in hospital, with 25 in ICU. There are more than 57,000 known active cases in the state. Tasmania, another person has died with COVID and 49 people are hospitalised with the virus in Tasmania. 2 people are in intensive care and there are more than 6,300 known active cases in the state. A further 1,096 cases have been recorded. WA, Western Australia has recorded 7,929 new cases of COVID-19. There was 1 death reported from April 30, a woman in her 90s. There are 249 people in hospital with COVID-19, including 8 in intensive care. South Australia has recorded 3,215 new cases of COVID-19 and 3 deaths, a woman in her 90s and 2 men in their 80s. The number of people in hospital has been fluctuating daily. Currently, there are 228 in hospital with 17 in intensive care.